We are living in the wonderful world of science, isn't it? If you see anything or if you see around yourself, it's made up of fully science. Even from a small pencil to an aeroplane is full of science, isn't it? So without science, the world is nothing. Without science, we couldn't live in the world. Am I clear? Say yes or no. So in this session, we have to discuss about the wonderful world of science. The wonderful world of science. So what is science? What is science? We are seeing the things and we are observing. We are asking questions. How the fan is running, how the bulb is glowing. So likewise we are analyzing the reason. So finally we have to find out the answer for that question. It's called science. So science is nothing but, science is a way of thinking, observing and doing things to understand the world we live in and to uncover the secrets of the universe. What is science? Science is nothing but, science is a way of thinking, observing and doing things to understand the world we live in and to uncover the secrets of the universe. Isn't it? Now are you clear about what is science? Science is way of thinking, observing and doing things to understand the world we live in and to uncover the secrets of the universe. Next, we have to clear about a key highlights of the science. We have 4 key highlights of the science. What are they? First highlight is science is all around us. Already we said, isn't it? So everything we can see full of science. If you see anything around yourself, everything should be present in science. So science is all around us. Second one is science is based on observation and experimentation. We are doing the experiments. What are the things we are doing? So we are doing observation as well as experimentation. Third one is science helps us to understand nature. Science helps us understand the nature. Last key highlight is everyone can be a scientist. Everyone can be a scientist because we are asking question and we have to finalize the answer for that question. We have to find out the reason for that question. So it's maybe everyone can be a scientist. Am I clear? So these are the 4 key highlights of science. Science is all around us. Science is based on observation and experimentation. Science helps us understand nature. So everyone can be a scientist. So next one, scientific method. What is scientific method? Scientific method is nothing but just we are analyzing the reason for that question. We have to very eager to find out the answer. Isn't it? Say yes or no. We have some process for that method. Isn't it? So it's called scientific method. You see, what is scientific method? The process scientists use to solve a problem or answer the question is called scientific methods. Scientific method is nothing but just we have to find out the answer for that question. But in some process, by the process, we have to find out the answer. It's called scientific method. What are the process we have in the scientific method? First process is observation. The fan is running. We are observing the things. After that, hypothesis. Third one is experimentation. We are doing some experiments. Fourth one, data analysis. Fifth one, conclusion. Finally, we have to find out the answer for the question. What is the reason? We have to find out the answer. So, these are the process of scientific method. What are they? Observation, hypothesis, experimentation, data analysis and conclusion. So these are the process of scientific method. Okay. Now I say some example for that scientific method. You see, first example, the girl is writing, isn't it? But the pen is not working. The pen is not writing properly. So she is thinking, why the pen is not writing? Okay, after that she is doing some experiments, just scribbling on the paper and removing the nib and everything. thing. After that she reassembled that pen. So likewise she is doing some experiments. So after that she find out the answer. Why the pen is not writing? She is thinking about herself. Maybe the pen is not filled with the ink. Maybe the nib will be broken. So likewise she finalized the answer. Next example, you see the doll is split out from the cooker, isn't it? So we are thinking why? What is the reason? We are asking many questions. Maybe the water is much more in that cooker. So likewise we are analyzing the reason. Third one, the boy is riding the bicycle but the cycle is not working properly. So he is observing the things. Why the cycle is not running or not moving. After that he is doing some experiments, arranging this chain or something he is doing. So he is doing experiments. So after that he finalized the reason. He find out the reason. Okay. So these are the scientific method. Finally we can conclusion from these three examples. How do we follow the scientific method? First, we observe something that we find interesting or we do not understand. Second, this makes us wonder and perhaps think of a question about it. Okay. So third one, we guess the possible answer to that question. We are asking some possible questions. Fourth one, we test this guess through experiments or observations. Okay. So we are doing some experiments. Finally, we try to analyze the results to see if it actually answered our question. So we are doing some experiments, isn't it? So by these experiments we are analyzing, is it working? So likewise we are asking some questions. So finally we can conclude for that question. Am I clear? So I hope so everybody should clear about that. What is science? What is the scientific method? Definition of scientific method and process of scientific method. Everybody should be clear about this concept. Am I clear? Yeah. So it's a small homework. You should learn the process of scientific method and you have to write some other example for that scientific method. How do we follow the scientific method? Are you okay? Yeah, very good. So I hope so everybody should clear about that concept. Thank you.